Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Positive Grid Spark app. First, download the free Spark app from your device's app store. Then, connect your Spark amplifier using two separate Bluetooth connections, one for app control and another for audio streaming. Once connected, you can easily navigate the intuitive interface to access and adjust all your amplifier and effect settings directly from your mobile device. Discover your perfect sound by exploring the vast Tone Cloud library, featuring over 10,000 tones created by other users. You can customize your sound using 33 amplifier models and 43 effects, all powered by the Bias Tone engine. Save your favorite personalized presets directly to the app or your Spark amplifier for instant recall. You can even use Spark AI to generate unique tones by simply describing the sound you imagine. Enhance your practice with the app's powerful tools. Smart Jam creates authentic bass and drum accompaniments that adapt to your playing style. You can import songs from Apple Music or Spotify and use the Auto Chords feature, which displays real-time chord charts for millions of songs. For challenging sections, easily slow down tracks or loop specific parts to master them at your own pace. Capture your musical ideas and share them with the world. The Spark app allows you to record your guitar performances directly, ensuring you never lose a great riff. You can also share your unique custom tones with the global Tone Cloud community, connecting with other musicians. Utilize the integrated video capture feature to film your jam sessions and easily export your recordings to showcase your progress and creativity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.